Hi guys, this is Vasan. In this video, we are going to see about W linked list. Now let's move into the video. Hash include stdio.h. stdio header file is included to perform standard input-output functions like printf and scanf. Hash include stdlib.h. std library is included to perform malloc function in this program. Malloc is used to dynamically allocate memory. This function will return a pointer to memory allocated. A structure with name as node is created with its member integer type data. Two pointer variable previous and next with the structure node as its type. After that, a pointer variable for struct node is declared globally. We have defined 5 user defined functions, namely insert beginning, insert at last, delete beginning, delete last, display. These functions have void as its return type. In main function, choice variable is declared and some printf functions so that the user will understand the choices. After the user entered a choice, the control will flow into switch. If he enters 1, the insert beginning function will be invoked. If he enters 2, insert last will be invoked. If we enter 3, delete beginning will be invoked. If we enter 4, delete last will be invoked. If he enters 5, display function will be invoked. If we enter 6, the statement the program is terminated will be printed and the program will be terminated. If he enters a wrong option, please enter a valid choice will be printed. Now let's see these functions. Insert beginning. A struct node pointer p variable is declared. An integer type variable item is declared. P equal to struct node malloc size of struct node. This statement will allocate a memory and the address will be returned to p. If p equal to null, that is we have no memory for a new node to add, overflow will be printed. Else, that means we have memory and its address is given into p. This statement will be executed. Enter item value will be printed and item value will be inputted by the user. If head equal to null, that is we have to create a linked list from the beginning. That is no node is existed. We have to create head of the linked list. P of next equal to null, P of previous equal to null, P of data equal to item, head equal to P. Else, that means a head is already existed. We have to just add a new node at the beginning. P of data equal to item, P of previous equal to null, P of next equal to head, head of previous equal to P, head equal to P. After a node is inserted, this statement will be printed, that is node inserted. Now let's see the functions insert last. Pointer variable p and temp is declared. Again the item is declared with integer as its type. P equal to struct node malloc size of struct node. If p equal to null, same as last, if there is no memory for p, overflow will be printed. Else, item value will be inputted by the user and it will be stored in the data, p of data. If head equal to null, p of next equal to null, p of previous equal to null, head equal to p. Else, temp equal to head, while temp of next is not equal to null, temp equal to temp of next. That is until temp of next is not equal to null, it will be traversed. If temp of next equal to null means it will be the loop will be ended. So temp of next equal to p, p of previous equal to temp, p of next equal to null. Printf node inserted. Void delete beginning. Struct node pointer variable p. If head equal to null, printf underflow. Else if head of next equal to null, head equal to null, free head, it will head equal to free of head function will free the memory of head, printf node deleted. Else p equal to head, head equal to head of next equal to null, free p, it will delete the memory it will delete the memory allocated for p, printf node deleted, void delete last, stack node pointer variable p, if head equal to null, printf underflow. Else if head of next equal to null, head equal to null, free head, the memory allocated at head will be free, it will be deleted, printf the node is deleted. Else p equal to head, while p of next is not equal to null, p equal to p of next, p of previous of next is equal to null, that is p will be null and its memory will be free by the function free, the node will be deleted. Void display, struct node star p, printf printing values p equal to head, while p is not equal to null, printf p of data will be printed at that function p equal to p of next. This while loop will print until every data in the link doubly link. Okay. Now let's insert an element at the beginning. 30 for example. Node inserted. Now let's display the element. Yeah, printing values 30 is printed. Now let's insert at beginning again 32. Now let's display. See 32 30. Now let's delete the last element. 4 no deleted. Now let's check whether it's deleted or not. 5. Yeah, 32. 30 is deleted. Now let's delete the first or last, both are same. 3 for example. Yeah, no deleted. Now let's end the program. The program is terminated. Thank you for watching this video.